Today we're making a hot apple cider cocktail. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today is a cocktail which I needed one that I could just throw in my slow cooker and let go, and this one is it. So easy to make. It is so simple, and all the ingredients are listed down below. You just literally dump everything in and then let it just warm. It will keep going. It is so good. But let's start it off. First thing that I did was I actually took the apple cider. I poured that into my slow cooker. This is the fun part. You're going to take vodka. Two different kinds of vodka. I had just regular vodka, and then I also had our apple vodka. Now, if you want to learn how to make apple-infused vodka, click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you that day that we made apple-infused vodka. But you do want to have the apple-infused vodka because it does add this great taste and flavor to it. Then I added my spices. These are things which you should have on hand. Cinnamon, allspice. I did use a whole nutmeg, which you might not have on hand. If you do have ground nutmeg, it's about a tablespoon of ground nutmeg or a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, depending upon how much you like it. But the whole nutmeg is so much easier to deal with. Just throw that in there along with the spices and then just let it go. I mean, it's that easy. You could not get an easier cocktail. Now, what's interesting about this cocktail is everybody who I served it to was like, I don't taste any of the alcohol in it. I don't feel this. And then a few minutes later, they're like, whoa, that kicked in. So please drink this cocktail responsibly. It is really, really good. And I mean, it is super delicious. Do I have footage of me drinking the cocktail? No, it was a big family get-together. And when I'm with a big family get-together, I like to be there with the family instead of taking, videos of this, like you should be doing. But everybody loved it. They enjoyed it so much, and I had so much fun making this. And like I said, this is one of those cocktails that you don't have to keep mixing it up. Just do a big batch, do a double batch, do a triple batch. It just depends how big your slow cooker is. I set mine on low and then just let it go throughout the day, and everybody loved it. And what I had left over, I put in a jar, and then, you can drink this cold. It does work as a cold cocktail too. It's just really good. Well, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home, and I hope I get to see you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And watch these videos, which I picked out just for you.